Hi, welcome to Foresights TV, and this is Anushka Tyagi with you. In a significant development, the Delhi government's excise department has approved the establishment of the first L10 liquor store at Terminal 3 of Indira Gandhi International Airport IGI. This initiative marks a departure from the existing duty-free stores and aims to serve not only international travelers but also domestic passengers and airport staff. The move is set to address a long standing need for accessible liquor retail options within the airport premises. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at it with me, Anushka Tyagi. The newly inaugurated L10 liquor store, operated by the Delhi Consumers Cooperative Wholesale Store Limited (DCCWS), spans approximately 750 square feet in the arrival area of Terminal 3. Unlike traditional liquor shops, this facility operates as a self-service store, allowing users to browse and select their preferred brands from a wide array of international and national options. One of the notable features of the store is its round-the-clock availability, offering services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This contrasts sharply with the operating hours of other retail liquor outlets in Delhi, which are typically restricted from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The store's strategic placement aims to not only meet the demands of travelers but also to serve the needs of airport personnel and local residents. It is strategically located to cater to commuters from the Haryana-Delhi border area, potentially reducing the flow of illegal liquor into Delhi from neighboring states. Payment flexibility is another highlight, with the store accepting various modes including UPI, credit cards and debit cards. Additionally, LED screens displaying comparative rate charts of different liquor across the country will assist customers in making informed purchasing decisions. Officials from the excise department emphasize that all the products available at the store comply with regularity standards, ensuring the availability of legally approved brands. This initiative is expected to significantly enhance convenience and choice for consumers, while promoting responsible consumption within a regulated environment. The launch of the L10 liquor store at Terminal 3 of IGI Airport represents a forward-thinking initiative by the Delhi government to modernize liquor retail services and cater to diverse customer needs. By extending operational hours and offering a wide selection of products, including international brands, the store aims to enhance the overall travel experience for both domestic and international passengers. Moreover, it underscores efforts to combat illicit liquor trade while promoting transparency and consumer safety. As this innovative venture unfolds, it is anticipated to set a precedent for future developments in airport retail services, aligning with Delhi's vision for progressive and inclusive urban infrastructure.